Today we are cooking masala khichdi. For that, to prepare the masala, we need to ground some spices. Here we have taken one cinnamon stick, small size cinnamon stick, and 10 pieces of cloves, 2 ilachi, and one japatri. These are like garam masala spices which are available in market. We need to grind them into a small powder, into fine powder. Now I have made into a fine powder. We can see. We need to take 2 medium chilies and cut it into small pieces. And now we have also taken. We are cooking the khichdi, masala khichdi in this rice cooker. So we have taken 3 tablespoons of oil. We have added it, and I am waiting for the oil to get heated. Before to that, we have to take 2.5 glasses of rice, and also we are frying moong here. Since we have taken 2.5 glasses of rice, we are taking this cup as measurement. So we need to add 3/4 cup of moong, but we need to just fry it without oil, and then add it to this rice and keep it aside.
Teaspoon ginger paste.
I'm adding 2 teaspoons of garlic paste, ginger paste, before adding ginger garlic paste, you need to add the green chilies so that it gets fried well in oil. Now I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now it's time to add the groundnut spices into this mixture. Mix well and keep it like that on low flame for 2 minutes so that the spices get fried in the oil well. Now we will be adding water. Since we are taking 2.5 glass of rice and half glass of moong dal, so that makes to 3 measurement cups of rice and moong dal. So we need to add 6 glasses of water. I am taking the same measurement cup to add the water in it. Now adding salt. You can add the salt as per your taste. Here I have taken 1 teaspoon of salt. I have taken crystal salt. You can take the normal salt as well, iodized salt too. If you see, now the water is getting boiled, so it's time to add the rice now. Now we need to close the lid and again cook it for 10 minutes, or if you are using a pressure cooker, you need to at least wait for 3 whistles so that the rice gets cooked, and then you can enjoy the khichdi, masala khichdi. Now after 10 minutes I have switched off the supply and I am going to show you the masala khichdi. Get ready. Oh yeah, I like the flavors. Enjoy. Thank you.